Uh, hey everyone. In this video, I'm gonna summarize the tool Analytics AI, and some of the couple of features that we have recently added and enhanced this product. So what this product is, let me describe that. So this is my analytics tool where you can connect to your system, and you can you can give some prompt to the bot or this application. So what exactly it will do, it will create it will extract the information from the system. It will be give you some analytics reports. It will be creating charts, multiple charts, also provide you the flexibility of to adding charts to transform them like Power BI and all, cleaning them like using the Power Query, however you do with the Power BI. So those features are also included in the system, and it will help you to understand the data that you have, and help your business to grow further by analyzing it. And it's so simple, makes the analytics so easy. It exactly help out the business to grow further without like investing a lot of time to analysis on the data. So yeah, I mean, without technical knowledge also, anyone can use this app. So most of the features are very easy, and very easy to understand and work with. So these are the couple of features that recently added in this system as well. So some enhancement has been done, this multi-domain management. So basically different databases can added in the system, and if they had some relations in between database level, or they have some relationship with the data, so a user can ask question, the system will derive, they will join, and prepare charts and results out of it and display to the user. So no manual work, and no manual extracting, merging will be required by any developer or any person to use this. Yeah, so let me take you to the app so that you can understand it. You'll be able to get the details. So here the demo links and all are there, so someone can click and see, and as well as the documents I have added to use how to use and what are the features that this app provide. So this docs can be followed up, and it can be used in the next cases. So let me duplicate this, so later it might help to summarize the details. So let's get started. Yeah, so definitely you have to be login and all. And this application is made on the microservice level and all. So the performance and this app provide is really amazing. So you can work with thousands lakhs of data, and still the system will be able to deliver the result easily. uh, so here you can see the domains that the data sources whatever I have connected, but these data sources will be only visible once you configure it with the admin panel. But before that, I'll show you how you can just how exactly the things looks. Then I will go to the setup part. So when I click this, you can see for both the databases, both the data source, the dashboards and all, it's just pulled out from the system, and the same time the charts and all whatever I have done, so it just pull out them as well. So these are the some charts example, and if you go to the dashboards as well, so you can see how beautifully it just extracted the information and showing to the user. But yeah, I mean, before that, I'll explain some other details, like how to set it up first. So this is the admin panel that's showing below the screen. So when you click on it, So it will take you to the setup part. So here, yeah, I mean the step wise the things are there. So you can set it up like, when you add the database related details and all, so it will be saved here and securely stored in the system. And the generate schema is the part when you select your data source and generate the schema. So once you generate the schema, so you can see how exactly the structure of the schema exactly look like, and all you can just verify. Then the table description, so you can put the description of the table, like what exactly the tables represent what, because there might be in a system some tables are there which like if you consider them as they are, so it might not make any sense. So in that case the description will help the system to understand, like tune it to as per the system to to derive the best result for the RAG. So this is a retrieval tuning. You can just put semantic tuning by what matching words and all, so that it will increase the chances of your questions to get the results. So usually inside the system it requires to do so, but yeah, I mean here it's made easy to do so. So if you have multiple databases and they have some relationship, like university and training, so you can just give the relationship between them here. Otherwise, if they are single system, single database, so you don't need to be define this. And this is a business logic. If you have any specific terms, specific things in your companies and all are getting used, so you can just mention in the business logic. Similar for the knowledge base as well, any specific details you want to provide as per the data source, so you can just click here and add the knowledge to the LLM. So as per the best matching as per the system, so it will be passed forward to the system to get you the best result out of it. Now the major part, like generate embedding. So this is the part where all these things will be processed and comes and integrated in your system. So when I will choose this suppose I choose this two database and click this generate embedding, so internally the system will pull all these details, combine and store inside our embedding databases. Like currently we are using a graph database as Neo4j. So all the things embedding the relationship has generated. And when you come to the visualization, so this visualization and the storage explorer are the confirmation that everything just created properly. You can just see here the things are right or not. You can see the how the relationship exactly look, and each nodes what exactly it is containing. So is it the current information generating or not? If it is blank, then there is some issue, we have to resolve it. But yeah, mostly it won't happen and it will be creating the results properly. But yeah, I mean just verification is definitely required. So once you configure the system, and this is a one-time job you need to do, so yeah, I mean you can just confirm here before proceeding that your embeddings are proper or not. Similarly for the storage explorer, so it also do similar kind of things, like just check the embeddings are proper or not, so you can visualize the details. And the cleanup and part, like if you need to clean up your system at any cost, fully clean, or was cache need to be cleaned and also, you can just come here and do the job. So similar for MCP, so this is the fallback system. So if you're you need to put the best matching results for in case your rack system got failed, so you want to something to be written at the end with even system failed to understand your question. So just a fallback thing you can just add here. And similar for the or all the domain. So this domain keyword is what it exactly, you can just tune your RAG with this domain keyword. And here are the KPI configuration. So RAG based details, there is some default like things are there, so you can just tune them by this KPI configuration if required, unless until the things are in right direction, so you won't be needing this to be tuned. Otherwise you can just if you want to tweak something at any use cases, so you can do it here. Majorly it won't be required. And this user management, so role wise, we have role and permission wise, we have access controls. So you can add as many as users and assign them to the role in this page. And with the role you can just provide the roles, that what kind of access they will be, you are gonna providing them here in this two pages. So yeah, you can see like what are the accesses and all I'm giving to the particular role. So similarly you can just manage with this role and user management. So this table restrictions, what exactly it is. So if you want any specific roles not to be access to a particular table, and also you can just mention those, so that your system will block those users to access those specific tables, so they won't be able to access that. And this is the caching layer observation. So you can see like what's the cache, how much memories has been used, if you want to free up them, so you can do all those stuffs here. And this is the monitoring and log. So you can see what kind of errors, what kind of things has happened. If any case you want to just to monitor and see trace id level, you can also observe them with this. When you click on this, so with the respective trace id, you can observe like what are the things happen inside the system when a user questions is processed. This is all about the admin dashboards. So let me take you to the real use cases. So I'll show one thing, like suppose for this I have like two domains selected. It's very simple to use a single domain, but yeah, I mean the complex scenario comes when it combines data from both the system. So when a user asks like this kind of questions, so you see that these are the results it just provided. It's some analysis. And when you click the show data, so if you see the respective it just show the combined results. And in individual level also you can just visualize the details individual domain wise. And domain means I'm referring to the databases. So you can see these results has published. And when you come to the charts, so you can see these are the charts that is prepared by the system to understand the details as per the question. So I'll take you one chart, like how interactive charts and all it's there. You can zoom in, zoom out, scale, and lot of other features are there. If you come to here, and you can also ask questions, so it will give you some more analysis on the result. So one of the 3D interactive chart I will also show. So see how interactive 3D chart it just prepared easily. So it will help the user to understand the things. And one more 3D chart is just prepared. So 3D surface mesh, you can see the charts it just prepared with the respective detail specialization, program name, and credits. So it will help the user to understand the data better, like 3D, 2D, and as per the requirement you can just see the details and understand the things. And additional facilities are also there, so you can come here and prepare the charts as per the need as well. So manually charts creation are possible, so you can do so here by adding the manual charts as well if you want. And this analysis provide these details, like each data, how the mean, median, range, iq, or outlier, everything you can just get as per the column level and all. You can understand the things. So these are the query that the system prepared, and the process plan, like however it able to merge and finalize the results. So you can also visualize the details. And you have also manual merging option. So something you need manually to be merged and all, and manually want to create charts and all, so you can also do the job. So suppose I will choose this. mm, Department profession. Okay, I will choose profession id instead. So you can see like I have choose something common. Let's see like if it works or not. So I'll click this run, and this details just prepared and come here. So it now it able to merge with the respective details. Yeah, this is one more feature that I just display here. And insights and explain are similarly, it just call LLM and explain whatever the details has generated out of it. So it's nothing, just very small thing. So yeah, I mean, you can see, like, how detailed the things just processed, and it just prepared the recommendation, visualization, data preview, everything is just prepared out of it, and some suggestions as well. Similarly, explain and all will work, so there is nothing much to explain on this. And here you can tag questions. Here you can below here you can like, it just when clicked, so it just suggests the questions, like as per the older questions, just prepared, and ask, suggest the user to ask some further questions and analysis. And here is the conversation mode. So when conversation mode is on, so basically you can charts, chained chart you can do. So this is one I show, just recent conversation. There are a lot of things are there. I'll take you to the dashboard one generated. So user has asked this question: 6 charts which university components have this corporate training program ID and whatever, and generate charts. So when I click on this, you can see this charts has been generated out of it. So this is 3D, 2D, and this bar graph also whatever has generated. And these details are basically the real time, so it's executed from the system, and when you click on it and visualize, so this dashboard will show you the real time data. It will pull the system from the real time and show it to you. So when you click this view data, so you can just understand the details, whatever however it has fetched, and pull out from the system, like from the both the domain, whatever it has pulled, you can just see the details as well. And here is the queries, you can see. Here is the process plan. So however the process has just happened. So what happens, like when you click on this, so this plan it just followed, and pull out this data and show it the user. And if I go to this dashboard and all, so yeah, I mean, rest of the delete and all these functionalities are there. Definitely I'll show one more details. If I come here and export, so I have also option to export PDF, Word, and PowerPoint. So you can select the what content you want and what conversation. So I'll select one conversation only, I don't want a lot of mess. So I'll do the export, and let's see what happened. Yeah, so you can see the okay, I don't have any apps to visualize, but if I go PowerPoint view, so you can see the charts and all, everything just got imported to this page. And we have all the respective visualization, the charts, everything just come to this PowerPoint. So yeah, I mean, this is additional advantages, but yeah, I mean, you can see some of the distortion, but yeah, I mean, it can be just corrected manually by the user. That much one can do. Yeah, so this is the export feature, how exactly it look like. And you can export your conversation charts with the PDF and all respective details as per you want. I'll show you something else. So if I come to this only single domain and all, I'll show like how exactly it also look like. So once I have asked about this question, you can see how beautifully the charts and all, everything just created for a dashboard. And if you want to further analyze also, so it available in all the respective feature. I've just generated one of this. So I just asked, like, what is the negotiation percentage and what additional details I need to know here. So this is the chart and this is the negotiation. So I just asked the questions, just to explain me this negotiation percentage and what are the additional details I want to know. So what it exactly do, it just provided the respective context I need to understand, and the respective details as well, what exactly the things are. So it just helped me to understand the charts in further, in more detailed way. Or anything you want to know the specific area, you can just come to this AI chart and you can ask it here as well. So this feature is also included here. And if you see this preview feature, so it's just you can consider it some kind of optimization. So sometimes data points are too much, so it's default kept 10%, but yeah, I mean, you can just expand this and see the details as well. So this kind of feature is also available. And when you come to this this grid mode, you can see how beautifully the charts, the KPIs has generated. This is an older chart, so there is some failure on the top, but yeah, I mean, this is if you come to some new conversation that I have done from this multi-domain. So this will be help you out to see in further details how exactly the things looks like. So you can see these are like when you comes to the grid mode, so the respective KPI details and with the respective charts and all, it just prepared out of it. And you have also manual query options. So yeah, I mean, before that, when you ask any given a prompt to the question, if you want to understand the what are the tables and all we have, you don't have idea on it in any case, so you can just come here, and the same component I'm using to see and visualize and understand the relationship between the tables and all. So if you can go to the table mode and also see what are the tables you have for the system. And you can do what, like you can like see these details, and you can also modify your questions if you require, just to check what are the columns, what are the tables you are storing. It's not anyway not required very much, but yeah, in any case it's a RAG system. So if you need to understand the tables and all at any cost, so you can do the same. There is a SQL executor also. So manually you can just come here and type a query and execute, and it will also publish the result at here. And suppose so something good. Suppose I come to this and I do what, like I click this transform. So what will happen, it will be come to this transform cart. So what this transform cart will do, it will be having all the details. So whatever, when I add this transform cart, so it just added here. So this transform cart feature is available everywhere, you can see. So however you are pulling the data, you can click here, you can click in the dashboard options as well, you can transform those data, or you can also come to the SQL executor or database manager. So what this database manager is, you can third party database you can connect. So it's a separate whole system, it will be able to connect and ask some questions, execute some queries and all. So you can also do the similar kind of things. And when you add it to this transform cart, so you can come here and you can also manually prepare some some good looking charts out of it. This kind of advanced charts also is you will be able to prepare. And there is also option to transform this. So there are multiple things you can see. You can see this transform cards here. So you can join, you can clear the null values, like Power BI has the feature. So you can just do the same. So lot of chained query can just happen. Suppose, let me show something. Suppose this corporate part, no, I'll do something better. Okay, I'll suppose I want this credit to be increased. So I'll do what, I'll choose the credit option. I'll choose stain to be or 1000. I want to put 1000 for each. So you can see the credits has increased 1000. So similarly, you can rename, you can replace, you can do the join with some other tables and all. So suppose I want train DB, right? suppose I want training DB, and I want left join, and what I will do, I'll choose the left and right. Suppose professor ID, university professor ID. I just added and I do apply. So you can see these tables have just joined, and there is apply all option. So you can just choose all your Power Query. You can expand this also, and you can see, like, step wise it will be applied, and you can do apply all. Then your data will be transformed, and you can do come here, and you can just do all your stuff. You can save the details. So once you save this, it will come to this transform data, so it will be saved here. So whenever you can require, you want this to be visualized, so you can just click edit, and you can visualize it again. So this is some additional feature that this apps also provide. This can really help to do the things in a better way. So this schedule task, what it is, so you can connect to your you can just put your mail configuration and all. It can work with Zoho, and Microsoft Team, and Google Chat, and you can connect these details. You load the contact detail will be load, and you can create tasks. So what it will do, it will put your description, the domain, and all respective things here. And what it will do, it will with the respective time, it will be ask the same thing that you required to be done. It will ask the questions and prepare the charts, reports, and everything. It will be pack them in the PDF or Excel or Word, and send to your system. And with the all history, you can just visualize, like, whatever the scheduled activities has happened, is it properly triggered or not, or what exactly, you can monitor them as well. So when you are absent, you can just schedule the job, and it will prepare the reports, and send it to the users as well. Yeah, so this is the major feature that apps provide, but there are a lot of other stuffs are there. So I mean, in details I can't, like, all the things I can't just explain, but yeah, lot of things are there, lot of features, lot of optimization things as included in the system. So this app is really helpful to understand the data, to further analyze, and it will really help to increase the business's growth and potential. Yeah, so this is all about this application. So any comments or any questions you have, just put in the comment, and you can reach out to me, Achyut, in the mail, achyutkumar198, ACHYUTKUMAR198 @gmail.com. So I can if needed, you can just connect with me. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.